Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
On a hot summer day like this, nothing goes better than a nice tall glass of sweet iced tea, and you're going to want plenty of that in the coming days as we're going to keep the hot and humid pattern going with temperatures lower 90s, but feeling like the century mark or above each and every afternoon for the next 10 days or so. So get ready for those dog days of summer because they are definitely here. Taking a look across the country, we can see there are some scattered shower activity making their way back through Florida and up into the Tennessee valleys. We do have some upper level systems moving across the country, but a lot of this is moving directly west to east, and that's why we're not seeing any of this coming our way. All of it is moving back up through the Ohio Valley into the northeast. We have some scattered showers back across the northern portion of the country. Some severe weather now moving into the Great Plains with some severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing back through Nebraska, over in the Colorado, down into Kansas, and making their way into Oklahoma and Texas. But I'm not expecting any of this to make its way into our area. We're going to continue to be dominated by a high pressure system in the Gulf of Mexico, keeping us with plenty of sunshine for the next couple days. So here we go. Taking a closer look at home, not a whole lot going on. We had some of those cumulus clouds this afternoon, but those are fading, and it's going to be mainly clear through the evening, but muggy. 82 still at 10 o'clock, but factor in that humidity. As you can see, 82%, dew points in the mid-70s, making it feel like 89 degrees. There is a little bit of a wind right now out of the south, and that has been the one saving grace throughout the afternoon as we had a breeze. And again, we're going to see that breeze tomorrow afternoon. And you can see even already by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, winds expected to be around 10 to 11 miles per hour coming straight out of the south. So that will bring more of that moisture over top the region, but with that southerly flow, it'll still kind of keep a little bit of a mixing in the air, so it won't be as stagnant, and shouldn't be too bad tomorrow afternoon. Still, even in the afternoon, up to around 12 to 13 miles per hour. Pushing into the evening, still keeping them over 10, but they'll slowly begin to fall once the sun goes down to around just 4 or 5 miles per hour through the overnight. And then by Monday, pretty much going calm as we start off as winds start to turn a little bit more southeasterly. But we will have those winds tomorrow afternoon through the overnight. Not a whole lot going on. And with that southerly flow, we could get a little bit moisture that could produce 1 or 2 isolated showers, but I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans that you have tomorrow. Just prepare for that heat and humidity with temperatures in the lower 90s. Then pushing into Monday, nothing really changes. That high pressure continues to be in control just off to our south and southeast, bringing us that southerly flow. As you can see, the model not really painting a whole lot, and I think we do stay dry for the next several days outside of just maybe 1 or 2 isolated showers. So for your evening, very typical warm and muggy, 77 for the overnight low. And if you do head out there and you see that bright star next to the moon, that would be Jupiter. And just kind of check that out. You'll have a couple more days to see it, but right now it's its closest point to the moon. And for your Sunday, we're looking at more heat and humidity as expected for the end of June. 92 for the high with partly cloudy skies, and as mentioned, just a 10-20% chance for that stray shower, but I think most of us are able to dodge the rain, and we do have those winds picking up. But factor in the humidity, it's going to feel more like the triple digits, and we'll get there by about as early as 11 a.m. and be there all the way throughout much of the afternoon before we start to see some cool off heading into tomorrow evening. But just kind of prepare for that. Make sure you're staying hydrated, drinking the water, and have your hats and sunglasses with you to protect you from that, and just keep it with you as we move into the work week. 92 to 93, feeling like the triple digits, very low rain chances. Maybe Wednesday might have the best chance for that passing shower, but even then, just a 20% chance. And looking ahead to next weekend, if you have plans, maybe getting ready early for the 4th of July holiday, not looking too bad. Temperatures, though, still on the hot side in the lower 90s, but as we get closer to that holiday, we could see some moisture heading our way as rain chances do go up maybe to 30-40% chance, but still 10-11 days out to the 4th of July holiday.
Hot and humid. Hot and humid. Two things do not, my hair and makeup do not want to hear at all.
Well, get ready for more of it then.
Great. Summer's going to keep on going. Well, thanks, Eric. Still